Welcome. In front of me I've got OMODA 5 EV. In this video I'll show you how to charge it. Let's start with some basics. OMODA 5 EV features 61 kWh battery, which allows this car to drive up to 430 kilometers according to specification. In everyday conditions, you can reliably expect combined real-world range of 330 to 350 kilometers on full charge. Let me show you how to charge it. Firstly, we have to open the charging port. In order to do it, open the driver's doors and right here press this button. Charging port is now opened. Take a look at it. You can lift this up and remove covers. Charging port in OMODA 5 EV supports two connectors type, C and K. To charge it, approach the charger, select correct connector, install it, and then pay. Now you have to wait a lot of time because OMODA 5 EV does not have fast charging. It features up to 50 kWh charging, so to fully charge it from 20 to 100%, you can spend even 1.5 hours. After finishing your charge, make sure to manually unlock the car from the key fob and then remove the charger. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.